their fall like wardrobe haul, like what they're gonna wear this fall. And I was watching them like, oh, that's so cute, all this stuff is so great, love this for all of you all who are creating these type of videos. But like, how do I go about like building my own? Like, I know that you just buying stuff, but like, is there a method to your madness or no? So in this video, we're going to be talking about 3 different ways for you to build your own fall wardrobe. I love the fall. It's my favorite season. It's my favorite season to dress for because you can layer a lot. You can like, this is really the opportunity for you to show your own personality in your wardrobe, I feel, for the fall, because it's not too hot, not too cold, unless you're in the South, because here in Tennessee, we're gonna experience all 4 seasons in a day, but it's okay. And that's why layering is just so important, which is one of the topics that we're gonna get to in just a bit. But first, if you're going to build your fall wardrobe and you really want to like start putting your energy and your efforts into your wardrobe, you really need to pick an inspiration. This is why I do not thrive in the summer, because I am not gonna be naked. But in the fall and in the winter, we're here for it. Okay, because I'm gonna get the coat and I'm gonna get the layers for sure. So the first thing that I did when I was before I went to go shop was pick out an inspiration. Like, I knew that I wanted to be, like, I'm a businesswoman, but I love streetwear fashion. So like, that's my thing. So I wanted to try to find like the perfect mix between the two. And a lot of it is like pairing contrasts together, like cargo pants and like heels, or like flannels and like high knee-high boots, or like something like that. So I just knew that I wanted to be like a businesswoman with like an edge. So that's kind of like where I went with my ideas before I went to go shop. Also, I really hate shopping online, so it takes me a long time to shop online. But I do it because it's obviously that time of the year. Woo, my hands are ashy. So when I went to go look online, like, I would honestly just type in the comment section like what type of inspiration I'm looking, and then I'll start like going through clothing items like that. And then when I find something I'm putting in my cart, I just look in like the suggested down at the bottom of where I should go next. And so that's how like I found my wardrobe items that I purchased offline. So I really picked an inspiration, and then I also picked a budget, because it's real easy for you to like go off the handles around here and really just rack up a bill, okay? But I always shop at stores where they have a discount, or when they're having a sale, because I'm not gonna pay full price. But I also just know like what my limit is for certain clothes. Like for me, I really love Express, right? Like, love Express, here for Express, okay? But it was like some items that they had, like I was like, I just really cannot justify this price, so I'm gonna go find it somewhere else at a price point that I can agree with, because I want to stay in my budget, but I want to go for businesswoman meet streetwear. So like, how do I tie that in together? But Express has like a lot of like good basics. So, and that takes me to my next point. Basics are your friend. Like, when you're going to like layer your clothing, and that's what fall is all about, layering. We're here for a good layer, clearly. Because it really like enhances your style. It allows you to like express yourself, and when you are layering, it's really easy to like pick other items to go around it. Like for me, statement pieces like this one, I really don't have a whole lot of, because I'd rather like make sure that I'm able to use my outfits for a lot of other outfits. Whereas like statement pieces like this, like you can get a couple of Instagram pictures out of it, but like you're really not gonna get that many Instagram pics out of it. But that's why I don't really just rely heavily on like the latest trend or like anything like that, because it falls into like you're spending your money to have to buy every season, and I just don't agree with that. But then that brings me to my last point, and it's really versatility. When I go to think about building my fall wardrobe and what I'm gonna wear, it's how am I gonna style this outfit. Like, I don't go in and say this is only the outfit that I want to wear, but it's just I really love this piece. How can I style it differently? Like what are other ways that I can make 3 outfits out of this one shirt? So that's really how like I look at shopping. It's how can I maximize my closet and stretch the outfits, because that's really what it's all about in the fall. So yeah, those are my like 3 main staple tips when it comes to building your closet. It's picking your inspiration that you want for whatever season, even if it's especially if it's revamping your whole closet. Then it's picking layers, like what type of layering look are you going for, and what type of variety do you want to have in your closet, and making sure that you pick pieces that can be versatile. Even if it's a trendy piece, how can you restyle it over and over again so that you can get the most out of that clothing item. A fall inspiration for what type of look you're going for this year, be sure to comment that in the comment section below, just so I know, so I can have some other ideas. If you have a Pinterest board, that would be lovely, and I would love to see yours. So yeah, see you in the next video. Thanks guys. Don't forget to subscribe.